Hello, today I'm reading Bird and Kip. Okay, let's start it. Bird and Kip were at the beach. Look at this letter, said Bird. I should pick it up. Bird picked up the letter. Kip put his toolbox down. He took out his saw and hammer. He started to building his boat. Kip didn't really know how to build it, but he did the best he could. I can't wait to go sailing, he said. Just then a huge wave came in. Splash! My boat! Cried Kip. Bird was dragging a box up the beach. The wave crashed into Bird. Sploosh! Bird fell into the box. Squawked! She cried. Then the box zoomed straight toward Kip. Look out! Cried Bird. Crash! Now Kip was in the box too, and the box was heading for the ocean, lost in the sea. Bird and Kip were at the ocean. The box floated on the wave. It bobbed up and down. We sailing, Kip, said Bird, and I have lots of fun. But Kip wasn't having fun at all. We are lost, he cried. We're lost at sea forever. Oh, don't be silly, Kip, said Bird. We don't be lost at sea forever. We're not even lost. I missed my hole. And I miss our tree. I don't like sailing anymore. Soon the box landing on some rocks. Oh no, said Kip. Now we're stuck at a faraway land. No, we aren't, said Bird. We're still home. See? They're the roller coaster. You're right. Bird, do you know what this means? Asked Kip. We sail all the way around the world. Bird and Kip were asked the cousin. What a great show, said Bird. It sure is, said Kip. I wish I could be in a cousin. Acrobat flew through the air. That's amazing, said Bird. I wish I could do that, said Kip. Wow, said Bird. Look at that. A tightrope walker walk above the crowd. I wish I could do that, said Kip. A tiny little car drove into the ring. A crowd got out of the car. Then the crowd smiled and waved. Then another crowd got out. And then more crowd got out. That was a lot of crowds, said Bird. The crowds ran all around a circle. Then they threw pies at each other. They bumped into each other and fell down. Everybody laughed. Well, Kip, said Bird, you can definitely do that. A lying tamer. Bird loved watching the cousin. Kip loved watching it too. In fact, Kip wanted to be in it. Kip wanted to be an acrobat. He also wanted a tightrope walker. Soon the lion was led into the ring. Everyone got quiet. The lion was large and scary. The lion growled and roared. A man stepped from of the lion. The man was holding a chair. He was a lion tamer. The lion growled at the lion tamer. The lion roared at the lion tamer, but the lion tamer was not afraid. Sit down, said the lion tamer. The lion sat down. Roll over, said the lion tamer. The lion rolled over. Psst, Kip. Psst, bird, whispered Kip. I would be love to be in a cousin, but I would not want to do that. Kip cousins. Kip was still thinking about the cousin. Suddenly, he heard something. Yip, yip! A puppy was loose. The puppy was running right toward Kip. Yip, yip! Barked the puppy. Ah! Cried Kip. Kip jumped into the bush. Then the puppy let go. Kip flew through the air like an acrobat. Kip landed in the tree. He walked like a tightrope walker. Then the branch snapped. Kip fell down to the ground. The puppy wagged its tail. Yip, yip! It barked. The puppy just wanted to play. Kip had an idea. Sit down, said Kip. The puppy sat down. Roll over, said Kip. The puppy rolled over. Wow, said Bird. I am a puppy tamer. You put on a great show, said Bird. Just like the cousins, said Kip.
The wave crashed into Kip's boat.
The wave crashed into the Kip boat.
Bird picked up the litter.
Bird picked up the litter.
Bird fell into the box.
Bird fell into the box.
Kip put his toolbox down.
Kip put his toolbox down.
He took out his saw and hammer.
He pulled out his saw and hammer. Lost in the sea.
The box bobbed up and down.
The box bobbed up and down.
The box landed on some rocks.
The box landed on some rocks.
I miss my hole, cried Kip.
I miss my hole, cried Kip.
The box floated on the waves.
The box floating on the wave.
See?
See?
There's the roller coaster,
There's
said
a
Bird.
roller coaster.
A tiny little car drove into the ring.
The tiny little car drove into the ring.
The clowns threw pies at each other.
The clown threw pie in each other.
A tightrope walker walked above the crowd.
A
tightrope walker walked above the crowd.
A
tightrope walker walked above the crowd.
Walk through the crowd.
Acrobats flew through the air.
Acrobat flew through the air.
The clown smiled and waved.
The crowd smiled and waved.
Ex- The lion growled and roared.
The lion growled and roared.
The man was holding a chair.
The man is holding the chair.
A lion was led into the ring.
A lion was led to the ring.
The lion sat down.
The lion sat down.
The lion rolled
The
over.
lion rolled over.
They-
Keep cousin.
Kip jumped into a bush.
Kip jumped into the bush.
The puppy was running right toward Kip.
The puppy was running right toward Kip.
The puppy got hold of a branch.
The puppy get hold of a branch.
The branch snapped.
The branch snapped.
Kip flew through the air like an acrobat.
Kip flew through the air like an acrobat. Okay, if you like my video, you make me one like, one subscribe. Okay, goodbye.